Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many people face when setting up mail servers. Imagine you have an instance of Docker mail server running for a domain, but now you want to use that mail server at mail.domain1.com to send emails on behalf of domain2.com. How can you make this work while ensuring your domain is secure? That's the problem we're tackling in this video. In addressing this problem, the solution lies in leveraging auxiliary technologies like SPF, DMARC, and DKIM, along with implementing SMTP author. These measures operate at a domain level, requiring recipient servers to verify these security checks. Additionally, you can potentially customize your SMTP server configuration to restrict from addresses to SMTP authorization, enhancing security on a per-user basis. However, this approach may impact aliases and depends on your mail server's flexibility. Now, let's recap what we discussed. To enable one mail server to handle multiple domains effectively, incorporating SPF, DMARC, DKIM, and SMTP auth is crucial. These security measures work at a domain level, enhancing the credibility of your email communications. Remember, running a robust mail server involves various considerations beyond security measures, such as reverse DNS matching and SMTP banners. If you're diving into this realm, be prepared for a learning curve to ensure smooth email operations. Thanks for tuning into our video. We hope you found the insights valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy mailing!